In my last videos, we looked at Sherwin Williams Quietude and the best white colors for your trim and cabinets. We looked at colors for adjoining rooms. We talked about its depth, its undertones, all that fun stuff. This is a super fun video where we are comparing similar colors. I've got my sample eyes peel and stick up, which I haven't peeled or stuck because I reuse them and I hoard them in my drawers. I'm a bit of a weirdo about it, but you would peel and stick and put them on your walls and save money and time. Now, let's get this party started. Sherwin Williams Oyster Bay. I love this color. Check that out. So, similar depth to Quietude. Quietude's sitting at an LRV of 48, but you can see there's more gray in Oyster Bay. I would say you might even see a wink more green pop up in there in some lights. So if you look at Quietude and think, you know what, I like it, maybe it's a bit too much color, you want a little bit more earthy tone, Oyster Bay. Next, we have Comfort Gray. Again, similar idea, but a little bit softer, a little bit grayer. We're still getting some greeny blue hues, just have a bit more gray, it's less saturated. Sherwin Williams Rainwashed. If you're like, yes, I love Sherwin Williams Quietude, I want the lighter version of it, you're gonna hit Rainwashed. Super pretty. If you have a super bright room, it'll wash out more. Quietude will hold its own a little bit more. Sherwin Williams Silvermist, I love this color. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Quietude, but sometimes I find for my clients' homes, it has a little bit too much color. As soon as I step back to like Silvermist, Comfort Gray, Oyster Bay, palettes often start falling into place a little bit easier, but it depends on what colors are existing. So if you're looking at Quietude, you're like, you know what? The crazy little redhead's right. It is a little bit too colorful. Silvermist is gorgeous. And I have videos for almost all of these or blog posts where I've reviewed them with photos, so you can check it out. Love. Now, for those of you who are like, oh, I love that, but I only have Benjamin Moore paint. I forgive you. And you might, oh, well, this one's Palladian Blue, so that's kind of like a lighter take on it. It's a little bit more like Rainwashed, but a more direct comparable, pretty cool, eh? Is Benjamin Moore Wythe Blue. Those are super close. You're never going to get a perfect match between brands, nor do you want to. It's nice to see that little ebb and flow. So if you have to do Benjamin Moore, that would be the color for you. But it's kind of nice to stick with the brand if you love a color. So there you go. There's some beauties. Check out my other videos on Quietude. I've got a blog post. Thanks for watching.